Thinking about buying an ENGWE e-bike but not sure which model is actually worth your money? With so many great options available in 2026, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best ENGWE e-bikes of 2026, comparing their performance, battery range, comfort features, and overall value to help you find the perfect ride. Make sure you stay until the end because our number 1 pick offers the best combination of power, technology, and everyday versatility. Let's get into it. This is Ride Nexus. Top 5 Best ENGWE E-Bikes. Number 5. ENGWE P275ST. The ENGWE P275ST is like the SE version, but it has a step-through frame. This design combines the great performance of the ENGWE P275 series with the easy access of the L series. It is the bike that offers the technology at the brand's cutting edge, but at the same time, allows the riders to have a more laid-back riding posture. The ENGWE P275ST model is made for mileage and can cover long distances without the rider getting tired. This is a clear indication of how far ENGWE electric bikes have progressed in terms of user comfort and ergonomic design. This smartness makes the bike react almost instantaneously to the rider's commands. You may observe that even though folding bikes are very convenient for storage, the fixed-frame ENGWE P275ST provides such stiffness and stability that it is very difficult to find an equivalent for fast commuting. Number 4. ENGWE E26. Not all trips are made on smooth asphalt roads. If your way takes you through potholes, dirt shortcuts, or unpaved trails, the ENGWE E26 electric bike will be a great help and companion. This model's key feature is its dual suspension system. It softens road shocks and creates a floating feel. Such comfort is really a good help in avoiding tiredness on a long journey. Besides, those big, high-volume tires offer a large contact patch with the ground, thus more grip and safety. In turns, the ENGWE E26 is a strong piece of equipment that has the capacity to carry quite a substantial load. Thus, it's great for big riders or those who bring heavy gear. The ENGWE E26 takes inspiration from the rugged ENGWE M20 electric bike, but it focuses more on a classic commuter design. Its comfort features are added bonuses. Number 3. ENGWE P20. Living in a city usually goes hand in hand with the problem of having little room at your disposal, be it in your apartment or on public transportation. ENGWE P20 is the solution to the last-mile problem that was the target of its creators. The ENGWE folding electric bike folds in seconds. It shrinks to a small size, fitting easily in elevators, under desks, or in a car trunk. Even though it is quite small, it still ensures a smooth ride. The frame is light but very durable. This gives a responsive handling experience. Perfect for zipping through city traffic, the ENGWE P20 stands out among portable models. It's often compared to other ENGWE electric bikes. However, the ENGWE P20 offers a sleeker, more modern folding mechanism. It's a foldable bike built to handle daily folding and unfolding. Sturdy hinges and locking mechanisms keep it rattle-free while riding. Number 2. ENGWE P275SE. Along with the ENGWE P275SE, people who have long journeys to the office usually refer to it as the top choice. This model relies very much on the performance and gets a natural feel of cycling. It features a high-tech motor system that can sense the pedaling force of the rider and thus give support that feels like one's own power. The ENGWE P275SE has a smooth and minimalist design style, which makes it look trendy in city environments. The high-capacity battery fits neatly in the frame. This keeps the bike looking tidy and offers enough power for several days of commuting on one charge using top-quality parts. Like switching to a low-maintenance belt drive makes the bike quieter. Plus, it needs fewer greasy adjustments. That is why the ENGWE P275 series models are very popular with users who have a preference for a luxurious ENGWE electric bike. Number 1. ENGWE L20 Boost. The ENGWE L20 Boost is a major milestone in the development of the well-liked L series. This particular model is very popular among users who value simplicity and easy access. The step-through frame design lets riders of all ages and abilities get on and off the bike easily. They don't need to lift a leg over a high-top tube. This feature surely attracts many commuters. They might be in office clothes or carrying groceries on the integrated rear rack. One of the remarkable attributes of the ENGWE L20 Boost is the addition of the performance enhancement feature. The ENGWE L20 2.0 electric bike doesn't boost power automatically when you pedal uphill or start from a stop. But the Boost version does exactly this. The result is a ride that is much smoother, more natural, and intuitive. And that's our list of the top 5 best ENGWE e-bikes of 2026. Which ENGWE model would you choose for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to Ride Nexus, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest e-bike reviews, bike comparisons, and expert buying guides. Thanks for watching us.